Okay, we're going to talk about stones and millings today. These here are what they call the refined millings. As you can see, they're real fine. You don't want the first run, you want the second run. You put these through a paver and roll them down. They get hard as a brick. These are called asphalt millings. They're called goose eggs. Everybody likes them. They're big stones. That's a goose egg. 2 to 4 goose egg. See, they're pretty big and heavy. This is the 3/4 washed gravel. They use it down the beach a lot. Not real good to pave over there. This is a 3/4 Delaware blend, similar to a smaller goose egg, just a darker color. They clean up pretty nice. And we got a 3/4 inch. We call them number 57s. This is your typical driveway stone people put in. This is your 3/4 inch red stone. Very expensive. That's what it looks like. They clean it, they'll wash off. They got a lot of dust on them. And this here is your recycled concrete, and it does the same thing. You can run it through a paving machine. You can grate it off real nice and hit it with a roller. You get really good compaction with it. That's what it looks like. Crushed concrete. You see it packs down real nice. Yep.